The situation was very tense. In fact, yes, the whole media saw it, and then everything was, you know, in public domain. But what I feel, no, ki giving a treatment. In fact, that patient was also my patient who came to me for a treatment, and she was mother-in-law of one journalist also. Considering all that background, she was 80-year-old. And the other side of the story here is that she came to my OPD with some kind of neuritis and all. So we put her on injection, some methicobal, which there is one regimen where you take it almost daily in 10 doses. And then she was, I think I was in OPD on that Friday. I gave her injection, then she went to injection room and she met a nurse there. She gave a test dose, she gave one injection, and incidentally Saturday was Eid and there was a public holiday. Now this nurse in the injection room as a goodwill told her, tomorrow we are closed, OPD is closed, you can take your second dose in casualty. And that is how she landed in casualty. So when she went to casualty being a emergency department, the concerned CMO said, no, we don't give such injections here, but we only give emergency treatment.